What the first contact with the client looks like. How to talk to a client to land the job. What questions clients usually ask. What questions you should ask during the design process. All of these and something extra you will learn now. And I will also share the small bonus at the end. So don't go anywhere, hit that like button and let's begin. Design work starts much earlier than the moment when you pick up a pen and paper. The actual beginning of the design process starts with preparations to your first meeting with the client. By being prepared for this first meeting, you start building a relationship with your client. The reward for your professionalism is the client's trust in your future decisions. And this leads to better cooperation and the better acceptance of your ideas in general. Usually your first contact with the client happens in two situations. You've joined the existing project or you participate in the initial design requirements meeting with the client. It's important to take these 4 steps before the first meeting. Provide a list of questions via email and ask your client to give you the answers before the first meeting. This will make this first meeting more efficient. On your side, be prepared to answer all the client's questions. Spend time researching the potential project and the documentation that the client has sent. The last important thing is to carry the due diligence on your client. It means researching who they are, who are the key stakeholders. You can use their website or social media accounts to get all this information. Before the meeting, you might be asked, why do you want to know XYZ in advance? Or why are you interested in our business model? Your answer should be, it allows me to prepare better and to have a more focused design requirements meeting. It will also make our collaboration more efficient and it will help me to establish the optimal design process and craft better solutions. My personal recommendation is be prepared and learn about the client as much as possible. Ask open questions that cannot be answered with simple yes and no. Start your questions with who, what, how and why. And listen. Take in the client's answers and don't interrupt them. Consider if the project fits your personal beliefs and philosophy. That's very important if you don't want to end up working for months in the job that you don't like. And now the extra that I promised. I prepared the list of questions in the PDF document for you. That's not only the list of questions, but also the examples of where the conversation with the client might lead you. You can download this document using the link in the description below. Okay, the first meeting is over. What's next? Write a short summary with the key points for design requirements. But write down only the essentials using bullet points. Agree on the next steps with the client and on what needs to happen for you to start the design process together. In addition, thank the client for taking time to meet you and tell them that you'll be in touch if any issues arise. I promise you that this kind of preparation for your first meeting with the client will significantly increase your chances of getting the job. And now you landed the job, what's next? Clear communication during the design process is the key. Be active, not passive. Recommend possible solutions. Don't be afraid of asking a lot of questions. Talk to the dev team from the day one so you can understand the limitations of the project. Every decision you make must match the business goals of your client that you gathered in the first meeting. Display confidence in your decision making by talking about the whys of your design and how it helps the client business. Make research and use data to back up your points. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, I'm joking, but please subscribe if you find value in the information that I share. And at the end, prepare the handover document where you collect all the necessary links and share it with your client. Remember, there is a PDF document with client questions attached in the video description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.